Very good morning, dear kids. Welcome to our English class. Last period I have explained. I taught warm up with the explaining question answer, and we have completed two paragraphs of this lesson. Peter has a great laugh. We have seen that Peter and Reddy Fox, they have decided to meet the old barrier patch as per they have decided, but Reddy Fox was getting late. Why he was getting late? Let's see. Is that so? What happened? Asked Peter, ducking behind a big bramble bush to hide his smile. When the Reddy Fox is telling, I am getting late, I had a terrible fright last night. I am sorry to have kept you waiting. It is all because I had a terrible fright last night. Reddy Fox is telling, I am getting late because of I was trapped and I had a terrible fright last night. You have to wait. Okay? Is that so? What happened? Asked Peter. Peter was asking telling to Peter Rabbit, is that so? Is it? What happened with you? Peter, ducking behind a big bramble bush to hide his smile. And Peter was ducking means here as given the meaning lower the head or body suddenly. Peter was moving his head and body. It shows, and he was hide himself big bramble bush. It is a berry bush, berry fruit. It has a thorny plant. It has thorny leaves, and Peter was hiding himself and he was smiling. Means he knows everything. It means Peter knows everything, that's why he is getting smile. He was hiding his face. Why? I went over to Farmer Brown's garden to see if that new planting of young cabbage was all right. Why? He is telling here. Now he is explaining why he was getting trapped. What happened with him? Then he is telling, Reddy Fox is telling, I went over the Farmer Brown's garden. He went to the Farmer's Brown garden to see means he wanted to check if that new planting of new cabbage was all right. When they have planted new planting of young cabbages, he want to check are they good or right? Are they all right or not? And there I met a terrible monster. And there I met. I met means here Reddy Fox met two terrible monster. I frightened me so that I didn't dare to come out this morning until jolly round Mr. Sun had begun to climb up in the sky. And he get frightened because of the terrible monster. So he could not come out from this field. He don't have dare to come out. He was till morning he was there. And he was waiting for the jolly round Mr. Sun. He was waiting for the Mr. Sun who was rounding, and the sun had begun to climb up in the sky. And so I am little late. And Reddy Fox is telling I am little late. So I am late here. Are you ready, Peter Rabbit, to go up to the new planting of young cabbage with me? Reddy Fox is asking to Peter Rabbit, are you ready to go up to the new planting of young cabbage with me? Asked Reddy in his pleasant manner. And Reddy was asking here with a pleasant manner. Pleasant means with a happily manner, with a pleasingly. He was very happy. With a good manner he was asking, are you coming, Peter Rabbit, to go up the new planting of young cabbage with me? Now, what do you think Peter Rabbit did? Why, Peter just began to laugh, and he laughed and laughed and laughed. He lay down on his back and kicked his heels up in the air. And why do you think Peter Rabbit did? Why do you think the Peter Rabbit, he was laughing? What do you think? क्या लग रहा है आपको? Why did not come to planting of young cabbage? Why he did not want to come to the field of young cabbage? The author is asking why. Now what do you think Peter Rabbit did? Peter Rabbit ने क्या किया होगा? Peter just began to laugh, and Peter just began to laugh and laugh continuously. He was laughing and laughing. He lay down on his back. He was sleep on his backside and kicked his heels up in the air. And he was kicking his legs up in the air. Reddy Fox stared at Peter Rabbit. Reddy Fox stared. Stare means looking carefully, looking continuously to Peter Rabbit. When Peter Rabbit was laughing, at that time Reddy Fox was continuously looking to the Peter Rabbit. He's getting shocked. Why he's laughing? Reddy Fox was thought, why Peter Rabbit is laughing? What is the reason? So he was stared. Look continuously to somebody. He just didn't know what to make of it. He just didn't know. He don't know why he's laughing. Reddy Fox thought himself. He was thinking, what? I don't know what happened with him. He began to think that Peter had gone crazy. Reddy Fox thought Peter had gone crazy. He's going mad. He's gone mad. He couldn't see a thing to laugh at. He couldn't see a thing to laugh at. He can't understand what is the thing happened. Why he's laughing? Which is the thing happened? So he's laughing. Yet here was Peter laughing away. Finally, Peter stopped and sat up. Finally, Peter stopped his laughing and he sat up. And he sit down. Sat up means he sat up. Sat properly because he lay on his backside. Did the monster each catch you? Reddy Fox, he asked, wiping his eyes. Peter asked to Reddy Fox, did the monster catch you, Reddy Fox? He asked. He means here Peter Rabbit asked to Reddy Fox, and he was wiping his eyes. Wiping means he wiped his eyes, clean his eyes. Because of too much he was laughing, that's why he wiped his eyes. No, replied Reddy. Reddy Fox said, no, he could not catch me. It didn't catch me because I could run faster than it could. Because I could run faster than it could. But it chased me all the way home. It means here monster who it chase. Chase means was coming or coming from someone. Chase means go someone go to someone back. Chase means try to catch someone. He chasing means he chased me all the way home. He tried to catch me. Who tried to catch? The monster tried to catch the Reddy Fox. So he could run as fast as. In that case, I think I won't go up to the cabbage bed this morning. For you know, I can't run as fast as you can, Reddy, and the monster might catch me, replied Peter gravely. Gravely means seriously. He was showing he's getting nervous. Nervous, so he is showing himself. Besides, he added, I have had my fill of tender young cabbage, and it was very nice indeed. Reddy Fox was getting frightened of the monster, so he could not catch him. The monster could not catch. So the Peter Rabbit is telling, in that case, I think I won't go up to the cabbage bed. Cabbage bed means where it is the, why did it call the bed? In that field there were everywhere the cabbage, so it looks The author is telling cabbage bed to this field. Peter Rabbit is saying gravely, he is telling very seriously. What he was telling to the Reddy Fox, I won't go up to the cabbage bed this morning. Means I will not. Won't means I will not go up to the cabbage bed this morning, for you know that. You know, I can't run as fast as you can. Peter Rabbit is telling, I can't run as fast as you. Monster might be catch me. Maybe the monster catch me. Peter Rabbit is telling. And beside he added, what he said? Beside that means, again he said, I have had my fill of tender young cabbage. Means Peter Rabbit had 8 tender young cabbage. And it was very nice indeed. And this young cabbage, it was really nice, good. What shouted Reddy Fox? When Reddy Fox know Peter Rabbit ate young cabbages, then Reddy Fox shouted, what? Reddy Fox getting surprised. So he said, what? Okay. Dear kids, half of the lesson we will finish in the next video. All of you have to read this lesson and write in your notebook. Okay. Do your homework regularly.